Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox instantly. So first you need to download and open Roblox on your smartphone. If you're using Android, you can download it from the Play Store, and if you're using iOS, you can download it from the App Store. And you can after you can log in with your Roblox account credentials. If you're first time using that one, you can create new account. So then after you can see there is the prompt will be open top of the app asking to add phone number to enable voice chat. So you have to enter your phone number and verify it by entering the one-time passcode sent via SMS. You have to enter that code to verify your phone number. Then after, once you're done with that phone verification, you can open Roblox on your PS5, PC or Xbox. It depends on your device. So then after, you can join the Roblox game that support voice chat. When you enter the voice enabled game, you will be prompted to join voice chat servers. You can simply select the join option and accept the prompt to start using voice chat immediately. No additional settings changed are required. And also remember, there is no age verification documents are needed anymore because phone verification is sufficient. And yeah, make sure your game you join support the voice chat, because not all the Roblox games have this feature enabled. On Xbox, native Roblox voice chat is not supported, but you can use Xbox Live Party Chat. And if you are using PC, you can also enable voice chat via setting, privacy and content, and go to communication by toggling the voice chat option turn on. You may receive a prompt to allow microphone access and consent to voice recording for moderation purposes. So this is how you can enable voice chat on Roblox instantly. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this.